Ayan guys, my sister. Ayan. Dito kami sa front view na Shilin. Ayan. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Liezel Ecmix. Ayan, itutur ko kayo ngayon guys sa Shilin Park here in Taipei. Ayan. This is the Rose Park of Shilin, Taipei. So, tayo guys. Ang daming rose dito guys. Ang daming rose. Lots of flowers. Lots of flowers here. As you can see guys. Ayan. Did you see that? Very nice. Pwede ba tayong umapak? Ayan guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda. Nawala ang gutom ko sa ganda ng mga flowers dito guys, as in. Wala pa akong almusal, diretso gala. Oh my gosh. Diba? Ngayon lang kasi nakakagala sa yaw-yaw guys. So, let's enjoy the moment. Enjoy the beautiful flowers here. Yay! Ang ganda! Ang ganda ng tanawin dito guys. Ganda ng mga flowers. Oo. Ay, ambot? Parang hindi. Parang iba. Ganda dito guys. Napakaganda ng nature. Grabe. As you can hear, the birds are singing. The birds. Lots of birds here. So, enjoy. Ayan. Enjoy lang guys. And the weather is good. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. Ayan. Beautiful. Ayan guys. Ayan oh. The flowers. It's very nice. This is the beautiful scenery here at Taiwan. Shilin. Ayan. Sama ko kayo sa aming gala guys. Sa aking gala. Mas may guwapo ko siya. There's nakita ako ng pugi guys, nakita ako ng pugi. Ay. Ay, naka my hair. Oh my gosh. Ayan. Shout out everyone. Enjoy the view guys. Who's that? Beautiful. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda guys. Enjoy the moment here in Taipei. So, ayan guys. Ang ganda nito guys. Sobrang ganda. Nakaka-enjoy. Just enjoy the show. Dum di dum. Mm-mm. Gala din sila, parang kami. Gala-gala. So kahit taga rito sila, sama sa tour. Ayan. Ayan, this is the view here. Ayan. We'll go to the fountain guys. Ayan. Diyan lang kayo at dito lang din ako. Ayan. Just witness the beautiful flowers here. Wow. Ang ganda. Ang ganda guys. So let's take a picture. Ayan. Picture muna tayo dito. Ayan. The fountain! Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Ay, tumigil. Tumigil yung fountain. Ang ganda ng mga flowers guys. Ozone. There's a fountain and then, but, ayan. Oh, amazing. What's in here? Flowers. The mountain. And the mountain. Fountain! Oh my gosh. Amazing place. If you are in Taipei guys, you can find this place at Shilin. Shilin, Taipei. Ang ganda guys. Ang ganda dito guys. What a beautiful place. Yahoo! Ang ganda. I just can't imagine guys how the people here are so creative in doing such a beautiful carving of the trees. Yeah, that one. What to call that in this one? Oh my god, this is so amazing. Amazing, and the flowers are really beautiful. Really amazing guys. Amazing. You will amaze the beauty. Ayan. The flowers is so lovely. So lovely guys. So lovely. And the place is maybe you can hear the birds are singing. What a place. What a lovely place. Relaxing place. And the flower, you will really enjoy here guys. You will really enjoy because of the place, the beautiful flowers, as you can see. Yeah, it's really amazing guys. Only at Taiwan. Yeah, the place is really amazing guys. Yeah. The people are very very creative. Lalaki ng mga puno guys. Oh. Ganda ng mga flowers guys. Nakakaaliw talaga siya. There's a water lily there. Russian fan. Ayan. Ang ganda. Very beautiful. Ayan. Pwede mag-relax, kain-kain. Ayan, merong merong upuan. You can eat if you want. Ayan, merong tambayan guys. Oh, and sige, okay. Wait lang. Ayan guys. So awesome. So beautiful place. And the flowers. I hope you enjoy guys. I hope you enjoy the beauty at Shilin Park. Yun guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda, ang ganda. What a beautiful place. May yellow tops din dito guys. So, bye guys. Uupo muna ako. Bye. Uupo muna si Yawayaw at ako'y I'm hungry, you know. Hungry. Bye guys.